Hello students, today we are going to study integers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on that we use for counting are called counting numbers. They are also called natural numbers. Natural numbers include 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., etc., 321, 322, etc. Second point, the set of all natural numbers together with 0 is the set of whole numbers. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, it includes 0. When we put a minus sign before any number, the number obtained is less than 0. It is called a negative number. Point number 4. On a thermometer, there are increasing numbers like 1, 2, 3, above 0. These are called positive numbers. Point number 5. The numbers below 0 are -1, -2, -3 and so on. These are called negative numbers. Point number 6. The positive sign is generally not written before positive numbers. However, it is necessary to write the minus sign of a negative number. Point number 7. 0 does not have any sign. Point number 8. Positive number 0 and negative numbers together form a group of numbers called the group of integers. Moving to the next topic, showing integers on the number line. Integer number line. Over here we get to see that there are arrows on both the ends which indicates that the line can be extended. 0 is neither positive nor negative. From 0 to the 0 is called the point of origin. From 0 to the right side we have positive integers, and from 0, that is from origin to the left hand, we have negative integers. Going to practice set number 4. Classify the following numbers as positive numbers and negative numbers. -5 plus 4, that is positive 4, -2, 7, positive 26, negative 49, -37, 19, -25, 8, 5, negative 4, negative 12 and 27. Children, over here the numbers which have positive sign, that is the plus sign, or without any sign will come under positive numbers, and the numbers which have minus sign or negative sign will come under negative numbers. Question number 2 given below are the temperatures in some cities. Write them using the proper signs. Now places are given, that is Shimla, Leh, Delhi and Nagpur. Temperature of Shimla is 7 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. 7 degrees centigrades below 0 degree. The answer is it is below, so it will be -7 degree centigrades. Temperature of Leh is 12 degrees centigrades below 0 degree. It is below, so it is -12 degree centigrades. Temperature of Delhi is 22 degrees centigrades above 0. So above means it is positive, plus or positive 22 degree centigrades, and Nagpur is 31 degrees centigrades above 0 degree, that is positive plus 31 degrees centigrades. Question number 3, write the numbers in the following example using the proper sign. First one, a submarine at a depth of 512 meters below sea level. Below means negative, so -512 meters. Second one, the height of Mount Everest. The highest peak in the Himalayas is 8,848 meters. That is positive plus 8,848 meters. Third one, a kite is flying at a distance of 120 meters from the ground. That is positive 120 meters. Fourth one, the tunnel is at the depth of 2 meters under the ground. That is -2 meters. Moving to the next topic, addition of integers. To add a positive number to the given number, we move that many units to the right on the number line from the given number. Over here, this is the number line. The numbers given are -6 plus, that is addition we are doing, so plus 3. So now figure out where is -6 on the number line, that is your starting point. And from there, plus 3 means to your right, we are going to move 3 places ahead, forward. So the number where you come is -3, -3. To add a negative number to the given number, we move that many units to the left on the number line from the given number. That is, we move backward on the number line, which means we subtract. Addition of integer on the number line. Now add 4 plus. Now negative number, that is -2 on the number line. Here the first number is positive 4. So where is 4? Figure out 4. Hence, we will move 4 steps to the right side of 0 to reach plus 4. The second number is negative, that is -2. So, we will move to the left to reach 2. So, that many places backward we are going to come on the left hand side. Therefore, 4 plus -2 is equal to, you will come at number 2. It is highlighted in green color. Always remember, plus into plus becomes plus. Which operation to carry out? Addition. Negative into positive becomes negative. Positive into negative becomes negative. And negative into negative becomes positive operation. Point number 1 to remember, when adding integers with the same sign, ignore the sign and add the numbers. They give the common sign to their sum. First one example is 5 plus 3, both are positive, same sign, so it is just 8. Second one, -5 plus bracket -2. There is positive sign, that is addition, plus and direct bracket. Bracket indicates the number has to be multiplied. So over here, children, -5 plus minus become minus, so it is -2. And operation we are going to carry out is 5 and 7 minus become plus. So 5 plus 2 is 7 and bigger number sign is negative, so -7. Point number 2. When adding integers with different signs, ignore the sign and subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. Then give the sign of the bigger number to the difference obtained. First example, 8 plus -3 is equal to 5. So 8 plus minus, so -3 is equal to 5, and bigger number is 8. What is the sign for that? Plus. So you need not to write the plus sign. Second one, -8 plus 2 is equal to, now plus minus. So which operation are we supposed to carry out? Minus. Bigger number sign, minus. So -6. Now this is practice set number 5. Add. First one, 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Second one, 9 plus and -3, that is equal to 8. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Bigger number sign is positive. 5 plus -6, so 5 minus 6 is equal to 1 and bigger number sign is negative. -7 plus 2 is equal to -5. -8 plus 0, 0 is neither positive nor negative. So 8 plus minus, 8 minus 0 is 8 and bigger number sign is minus. -2 plus -2, that is equal to -2 plus -2 is equal to -7. Now complete this table. Okay. Now how are you going to do this? 8 is the common number for all. 8 you have to add with the numbers given. So -2 plus 8 is equal to 6. Now 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. And -4 plus 8 is equal to 4. In the similar way, you're going to do this for 4. Then 3, and then the next is addition of 5. Opposite numbers. Now opposite numbers. Now O is the origin, we all know, children. Now -4 and +4 are opposites. Points to remember: opposite numbers are at the same distance from 0 but in opposite direction. That is, plus 4 and minus 4 are opposite numbers. The sum of the two opposite numbers is 0. Example is plus 5 plus, sum is what? Addition. Plus negative 5, that is 0. Now this is practice set number 6. Write the opposite numbers of each of the numbers given below. Number is 47. What is the opposite number? Minus 47. Positive 52, negative 52 is the opposite. Minus 33, that is negative 33, positive 33. Negative 84, positive 84. Negative 21, positive 21. Positive 16, negative 16. Negative 26, positive 26. 80 minus 80. Now comparing the integers. This we will see in the next